What if I told you you can automate 50% of your daily tasks using AI, even if you're a complete beginner? No coding, no experience, just simple tools that do the boring work for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to automate your day so you get more time, more freedom, and way less stress. Welcome back to the Bright Mind Show, your home for simple, powerful AI tutorials. Let's jump straight into automation number one. Most people wake up thinking, what should I do first? What's my plan today? You can automate this completely. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to generate a full daily plan based on your goals. Tell it, create a daily schedule for me. Include work, meals, breaks, learning, exercise, and top priorities. AI organizes your whole day in seconds. You can also auto-generate task lists, reminders, content schedules, weekly goals. Instead of spending 30 minutes planning, AI does it in 10 seconds. Most people waste hours replying to emails and messages. AI can handle 80% of this easily. Tools like ChatGPT, Gmail AI, and Microsoft Copilot can read your emails, summarize them, write replies, fix the tone, send clear, professional messages. You only click approve. A task that normally takes 2 minutes per email now becomes for seconds. If you're a creator, business owner, or even a student, AI can create content faster than any human. Tools like ChatGPT, HeyGen, Opus Clip, Midjourney, or DALL-E. You type one command, and AI produces an entire piece of content. Creators who use AI post 10x more content with 1/10 the effort. Instead of spending hours Googling different sites, AI can research anything for you. Just ask ChatGPT to summarize a YouTube video, break down a long article, compare two products, explain a topic in 30 seconds, turn a tutorial into easy steps. This saves you hours every week. Students, freelancers, workers, everyone benefits. This is the biggest time saver. AI can automate tasks like converting PDFs, rewriting documents, generating reports, creating templates, organizing data, cleaning spreadsheets, turning voice notes into text, managing calendars. Tools like Zapier, If, and Notion AI can connect apps together so one action triggers another automatically. It's like having a tiny digital assistant working 24/7. AI automation is not the future, it's happening right now. If you learn how to use these tools, you'll save time, reduce stress, and boost your productivity instantly. Want the next video in this playlist? Just say 4 or 4th script and I'll make it.